Oh, no. We put that back. We don't take stuff out of your drawer. Hey, little guy. Oh, you pulling everything out? You can't have the camera. Go play with some other toys. Hey, Michael, can you say kitty? Michael, can you say kitty? Michael, come here. Where are you going? Michael. Kitty? You're going to find a kitty? We don't have a kitty. Michael. Come here. Where's Michael? There he is. Michael, where's the light? Can you show me where the light is? Oh, you just want the camera. Here's your milk. Do you want your milk? Yeah, there you go. Michael, can you show me where your teeth are? Where's your teeth? You're not going to do anything for the camera? Oh, that's so sad. Are you a little sick? Is your voice a little hoarse? You got some plastic? Where'd that come from? We don't touch the camera. We... Don't touch. Don't touch. You're not tired. You just got up like an hour ago. Don't play with that, Michael. Don't touch. Don't touch. Michael. No.